Alright, hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial set on installing and learning to use Magento. Quickly, first, Magento is the world's most popular e-commerce content management system. It's approximately a quarter of the world's largest online stores are on using Magento, so it would be quite handy to learn how to make your own and how to manage it. It will certainly be useful in the working life. First up, before we start actually installing Magento, you will need to request an account for cPanel and your studying room web server. You need to request a form from your teacher or contact lecturer Pekka Ojala. They will give you the details to getting your account running and installing both of these. It's not too difficult. Takes 30-40 minutes to get them both running, and they're fairly easy to use once you get the understanding of it. And we will do the basics, and you don't have to know how to use them before we just need them installed. Alright, this is what our studying room looks like, but first point we need to start from is downloading Magento. For that, we go to magento.com, just Google it or go, and then will need to download the community edition. By that we go products, open source. Takes a second. Alright, from here we can see the community edition is the free one that we will be using, and for this we will go here, available downloads, then we will need to scroll down a bit. Here we have different methods of downloading it, or if you want to install sample data so you have something on your website once you start. We will not be using sample data in this tutorial. It's not needed, but it can be installed if you like to have some extra content on there already. And we will select the full release first and just select the method you want to download it with. I'll go with zip and click download. I think we need to create an account for Magento. Yes, I'm correct. This is not a big thing, it's a minute to 2 minutes. We'll go create account. I already have an account, but you just need to fill in your first name, last name, email address, company. Just fill in other when working for a company. And let's just fill in your screen name and submit. Then you will be able to download the file. It's not terribly large, but we will resume after the download is complete. Okay, welcome back. We have finished our download on the Magento file. Here's the version that I'm using, 1.9.1.0. Yours might be a newer one if you're doing this in the future, but this is the most recent version we have at this moment, so that's what we're going to use and install. Alright, now we need to upload that file to our server, and for this we need to go to our cPanel. Hope you have it set up, installed. Got it from your teacher or Pekka Ojala. And in here we need to access our server and our files. So we need to go files and our file manager. It will ask you what directory to use. Please select the web root one. It doesn't ask me because I have it as a preset, so it always goes there. And then we just click on file manager. Then we enter our server. So here's where we will move all the files and extractions and do all those things in this installation. And please stick to the public HTML file so nothing goes wrong and it's just simplest that way. Alright, I have a few other things here, but no need to worry about them, just some other projects. So now we simply need to select upload and then just browse. It opens it up nicely. Let's just select the file and go. It shouldn't take more than 10 seconds. So while we wait for that, Magento is a great system to run your web store, but the community edition we're using, the free one, has some problems every now and then with the installation. And if you're having some that we're not going to go over in this tutorial, please just Google them, try to search. Magento has plenty of forums, chat rooms. There always will be an explanation if you just look for it. Yeah, I had a few different ones when I was starting with the older version, and you can find it in 10-15 minutes quickly online. Just search it up. And our upload is done. Now we go back, and here we see the file we just uploaded, and now we need to extract that bad boy. For that we just click extract. Yeah, that's okay. Just keep it in a public HTML file and extract. This shouldn't take more than 2-3 seconds, and then we can move on. Right, it freezes a bit here, but it brings up all the results of the extraction. Yeah, you don't need to worry about or go through this. It just tells you what it did. And now close that, and that's the file. That's the folder we extracted. We can see all the files and folders and things in there. And now we go to our studying room. If I update that, here's the file we just uploaded, and here's the extracted folder. And if we just click that, it should open up the first, and now it opens up the installation wizard. I'm going to cut this video off in here just to keep these videos around the 10-minute mark. The installation takes a few minutes. We need to create a database in cPanel for this, and I'm going to go over a few other problems you might have during the installation. So I'm cutting it off here. Hopefully we got off to a good start, and I will see you in the next part 2 of the installing Magento. Alright?